Another example, number 4. We have 7 over d minus 5 minus 6 all over d plus 3 equals 48 all over d squared minus 2d minus 15. So we have here a quadratic trinomial. We must factor this first in order for us to identify what is the LCD. So we have 7 over d minus 5 minus 6 over d plus 3 equals 48. The factors are d and d. And the denominator, negative 15, I will write this negative 5 and positive 3. And I will check it first. D times d is d squared. D times 3 is positive 3d. Negative 5 times d is negative 5d. Plus 3d is negative 2d. Negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. My factors are correct. Now, I notice that the LCD, or the product of these two, and the denominator is equal to this, the product of this. So therefore, the LCD is d minus 5 times d plus 3. And we must have a restriction in this rational expression wherein the denominator should not be equal to 0. Therefore, d should not be equal to 5. And another one, d should not be equal to negative 3. Because if d is 5, the denominator will become 0 and become meaningless. If d is negative 3, the denominator will be 0 and this will be meaningless, as well as this one. So, our LCD is to be multiplied to each of the terms. We have d minus 5 times d plus 3 times the rational equation 7 over d minus 5 minus 6 over d plus 3 equals 48 over d minus 5 times d plus 3. So by distributive property, we can divide this out. So we'll have 7 times d plus 3 minus, we can divide this out, so we will have d minus 5 times 6. So we can divide this out, so what remains will be 48. By distributive property, we will have 7d plus 21 minus 6d plus 30 equals 48. 7d minus 6d is d. 21 plus 30 is 51. So we have 48 minus 51. d is equal to negative 3. Our restriction is that d should not be equal to negative 3. But this is equal to negative 3. Therefore, the solution set is an empty set.